All right, so now that we've got our user set up, now that we've got a profile set up, we've got access to files and we've got access to knowledge, and we've made a permission set for ourselves to be able to create communities and manage topics and everything like that. And we've enabled chatter. The next thing we need to do is enable knowledge. So in the search again, you're going to type knowledge. Once more, you'll probably just see the knowledge settings here. I've already done a little bit of pre-work here, but so you'll go to knowledge settings and you'll be able to enable knowledge in the knowledge settings. So it's going to look, you'll enable knowledge. So immediately after you enable knowledge, you can then enable lightning knowledge. Now this is because Salesforce Classic used a different kind of schema for knowledge than it uses for lightning knowledge. And it makes your life a little bit easier in the long run. But we do have to enable knowledge first and then enable lightning knowledge. All right, so I'll give everybody a couple of seconds to go through that. There's not a whole lot of things that you have to change inside of the settings apart from what's automatically there. The only thing I would recommend is if you do not have enable automatic loading of rich text editor when editing an article, I would recommend absolutely turning that on because it's going to make the world a whole lot easier for your knowledge contributors. So let's save that. And now we're going to go to data categories.